So in this video, I'm going to go over this pet car seat, pretty much a little small car seat for a small dog. And let me just show you everything you got. I've already used this and I took it back apart. I'll show y'all setting this up in the car here in a minute, but let me just show you what you do first thing. So right here, it comes just like this. You're going to open it up, put in this piece right here like that. You see these two bars. Look how fast you can do this. There's a Velcro piece right here. Move the Velcro around. One down that side, and that Velcro's around. Now this part right here will go around the headrest in your car, truck, or van or something like that. This right here is the actual little kind of holder. It's like a dog leash that goes around the collar. The padding goes down there. So this is like a memory self padding that's Velcroed down. There's a front piece right here. Right here is where the seat belt goes through. Let me take it over to my truck, set it up, get the dog, and let's go for a ride. So let's do that now. Okay, so I just installed it here. Let me show you everything I had to do to install this. So what you're going to do, you know what, we got little Remo here, so you see how the leash locks on right there. Here's the instructions on it, but I'm going to go over it. The pad is down in there. He's sitting here nicely, well behaved. You've got the seat belt goes around, and then see how these little snaps are? You snap down like that. This strap right here is going to go around the headrest. It holds it in place. Check this out. You see how it's all held up? So if you got into an accident, he's not going to go flying through the windshield. It's actually going to capture the dog right there. And the seat belt is going to hold this whole front down. So it's not going to let the whole basket move. Cut out right here. So if he wants to, he can put his feet up on the cutout right here. It takes him a little bit to get used to it, but while we're driving down the road, he likes hanging his head out the window. But you know what? I'm not worried about him jumping out the window because he's latched in right there. So yeah, I think this is a great option for anyone that just has a small dog that they want to take for rides with them. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the little pet carrier, safety carrier. See you all in the next video.